when it comes to the data itself, I go back to the previous comment I made. Firstly, the customers themselves know their data. They're going to know the accuracy, etc. Now, I have a bit of a concern, and I touched on it a little bit earlier. If we are extracting data from a system to be used in the configurator, and we have to manually cleanse or tidy up that data, firstly, that's a manual activity, which in itself carries risk. But secondly, we've done that manual task, and I'll come back to what happens over time as products change, as data changes. So really, my concern around manual data cleansing, and this can be a laborious task, it really, really can. I'm a big advocate, and we're seeing this more and more. If companies have PLM or ERP systems that are the system of record, or there are multiple systems, we really need to get into a cadence or process where we can start to electronically get that data and utilize it, and really fixing up the data at source, not having some extract, transform, load process to tie it up. That transform to me is really non-value add. Get it right at source, and you don't have to worry about manipulating it from there.
Mark touched on a point that they know over time, data models naturally grow and shift, and setting up a new CPQ system is really an inflection point. It gives you a chance to pause and create what I would call a modular data set. So often data in an existing system, it takes the form of the application itself. So it can really pay dividends for an organization to stop, pause, organize their data in a way that allows it to be configured. This creates an efficient application. It also creates an application that's easy to understand and maintain by the organization as time passes. So you do want to make sure that the data exists in a clean format. It includes all the supporting attributes that you need to configure, price, and quote products. And questions that I would commonly ask businesses to ask themselves is my cost and price up to date? Is it accessible? Are my product rules available? And more importantly, are they consistent across product line and models? If that data is not consistent, it will be reflected in your new CPQ tool.